Hey everybody, Dave Johnson here again with Aggressive Fun. Today we've got a big snowstorm coming in and I love it when it snows. So we're going to do a time-lapse video using a Nest Wi-Fi camera. Now the storm is supposed to start around 7:30ish in the morning and around 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So that gives us what, 7.5, 8-hour storm. It'll all be compressed down into 60 seconds time lapse. So not only is it cool just to see that snow and the accumulation, but we'll get to check out the Nest capability to do a time lapse and see if we like how it handles that part of the videoing process and being able to generate a tape with the time lapse. So here we go. So there we go, cool storm, lots of snow, and I think we ended up with, and you can't see that, with about 6 inches of snow. So that was a pretty good snowstorm. Hope you enjoyed. As always, feel free to leave comments and questions down below the video, and we appreciate any likes and subscribes that you might want to throw our way. Always appreciate those. Also, down below the video I'll have links to the video camera, more information, links to Amazon, all of that kind of thing. So check out more information down there. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.